Okay, we reached a tarred road here. I don't know if there is any water in the dam. Okay, so that guy over there says we need to take a left and then we can go up. SCRP Dam. I don't know what that stands for, but I must guess SC means Shoolagiri Chinnar. So we had a mix of off-road and this is like a forest. Woo, we are here, but there is very little water, which is kind of expected. How is that? Hey!
There's less water in the dam.
Yeah, there is very less water in the dam, but that's okay. Let's ride to that end or stop in between.
You can go.
Yeah, we can go. Or I think we can go. Okay, I think this is by far we can go. That must be the end. And there is only one side entrance. There is a road there, but I don't know if it goes up. Oh, it does go up. We can actually go up the dam from both the sides, which is not bad. We'll take a halt here for just a couple of minutes, not long. This is Chinnar Dam. It's a very small reservoir. I think there is a small stream that comes and joins this place. Very less water, maybe because it's February and I don't know how it is usually during the rainy season. Maybe we can come back some other time, but it's a perfect destination for a short weekend ride. What do you guys think? Do let me know in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoy the view here, and you're welcome. Back to some off-roading. and then we'll head home. Yep, this is the way. It's the same way that we went. But I don't think the other bikes who came there are actually taking this route. I don't know if the ADVs can really have some fun here, because they can withstand much worse terrains. But yeah, when you're in the city, places like this are some fun. So one thing to keep in mind, use less front brake and more of back if you want to slow down, because of the loose gravel, if you hold your front too hard, there are chances of the bike skidding out of the line and you falling down along with your bike. So it's always better to use more of your rear when you're riding on these kind of roads, especially when you don't have ABS, because I don't have an ABS and mine is a standard bike. So Melvin wanted to check out if we can ride up any of those mountains, see if we can get some better view, and I am planning to go take a look. Let's go check it out. So this is where it leads to. Okay, there is a temple here. Can you believe what I'm doing right now? Of course you can, because you can see it. Okay, I think we'll stop here. Wow! Check that out! So this is what happens when you completely don't plan on your trip and then just head out. Start thinking where you want to go on that route, go to the places that you see. Yeah. How about we take some pictures here and then we can go home. It's 10 a.m. and it will start getting hot in some time, so before that. We can also see the dam from right here. So that is the dam there. Alright guys, so we are set to leave. I think this place will be best if you can come in the evening to see the sunset, because right now it's all it's still very gloomy. I don't know if it is fog that side or if it's pollution, but I think it must be fog. Think it must be fog. Okay, this is today's tale. This must be the local deity. May God bless us all. So what was your favorite moment today? Was it the dam or these rocks? For me it was watching the bird. Nah, I'm just kidding. I loved all the moments here today. Get out of city during weekends. Go to some places nearby, even if it is not there in the map. Trust me, you will find amazing things and things that you don't see every day. The world is still beautiful. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please to like, share and comment. If you'd like to see any new places, do let me know. If you know any good places, do let me know. You can always connect with me on Instagram or Facebook. And with all that, this is Echo signing off, and I'll see you on another beautiful day. Until then, ciao.